So YouTube, it's me, Matthew Mullins here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your notification sounds because it's the old, boringest ones, and you want a custom one. Well, I will show you how. Let's say you go to YouTube. I like this ad called Monkey Puppy Baby. Monkey Puppy Baby. Oh, it's actually Puppy Monkey
Man,
Baby.
I might just chill tonight.
Puppy Monkey Baby, Puppy Monkey Baby, Puppy Monkey Baby, Puppy Monkey Baby.
Man, I might just chill tonight.
I'm trying to find one where it just says plain Puppy Monkey Baby. No, I'm just gonna go with Radioactive. I just love that song too much. I can't stop listening to it. Right, just pause it and make sure it's at 0.00 for the things that you can catch the whole music. And you can even listen to this while you're on the road, but you can't play games. But you can listen to your favorite songs on the road without Wi-Fi. So, you want, after you do that, go up here and press, not this one, but this one right here. Click that, press copy link. Alright, after you press the copy link, you want to go to your web browser and type in YOUTUBE space MP3. Press enter. It will be this one, YouTube to MP3 and MP4 online something. It will be that one. Now, wherever you see this, hold that box and you see a paste button. Press paste and press your go or enter button. Now, it's processing, see if it's the right one. It'll tell you up here, Image Dragons, Radioactive. Now, all you have to do is press download. And it'll be saying downloading. Boom, download complete. But there's still one step because it still won't be in your notification sounds. So what you want to do is go to My Files and go to Audio. That's where it's going to be in, but you still can't. Just hold down the Image Dragons, Radioactive, whatever, the one that you choose. Hold that down, make sure it's checked. Press the 3 dots, press move. Press internal storage. Now go where it says notifications. Click that and click done. And now it's in your notification box. So slide down. No, or you can just do set, or you can just search up settings. Click it. Go to sounds and vibration. Go to notification sounds. Now just click default notification sounds for like YouTubers that pop up. And look for the one that says Image Dragons Radioactive right there. And I click it. And then I click back. Let's say I want to change my notifications, my messages sounds to that for like people that contact me. So I press Image Dragons Radioactive. And most people don't use calendars, but you can change your calendar notification too. I mean, I don't know why you would. So, but that's the whole point. How to change notification sounds.